Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a sharpness level on GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And to do this, you'll need to set up that camera inside GoPro Quick app. I shown you previously on how to do it. Click on the Control Your GoPro. Now select a mode on the bottom, click on the pen next to the mode, and here on the bottom you can find the sharpness. Select it and you can use the different settings for it, like high, medium or low. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.